Alright, you guys, I made it into Tractor Supply. And you know what? I've been looking for that wall art, right? Is that wall art here with the cow?
I think so, yeah, but I haven't seen it.
So we had the deviled eggs here. They're going to be $49.99.
So they can tilt this, they can see it.
That's funny for 50 bucks. That is actually kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie.
It's nice and it's kind of heavy too.
They do have the light switch, which is $17. But you know what? You could find this for like 10 bucks at Walmart. So it might be cheap over there. The rat is 50. The rat in a bag.
Oh no.
Oh, here's the front. It lights up where?
I don't see a light up. Oh, lit up green or something, I think. Something was green.
Alright. Then
We
the
said mice in our feedback.
Franken piglet is 50. Here's a stitched up pig. Sorry, piggy. Okay, we have $35 right here for this one.
Oh, sorry. Halloween just brings out the ghoul in me. Welcome to my home, my little victim. My little friends. There's something spooky out tonight, and I think it's you.
So you know what? I wasn't expecting it
To move.
to move. I thought it was just gonna light up. But that's 35.
Have you come for a treat? Or for a trick?
And 100 for the size.
No, this one's 40. The 100's for the
Oh,
pumpkin
okay.
stack.
40.
Yeah.
Oh,
I can't find candy anywhere. Do you know where I can find a good haunted house? Are you afraid of the dark? Watch out for the haunted creatures stalking in the night. Where do you think you're going? There's still plenty of spooks to be had. Happy Halloween. Have I frightened you yet?
just quite a bit.
Yeah, they do.
How much is this raccoon? Doesn't say, but it has the raccoon tail. Let me show you. By Red Shed. There we go. It's a black and white. And this rooster, it is solar, is 20. And they also have a cat one. They have a beanie. I'm not too sure. $9 on the beanie. And then down here, I am solar. This is 20. And they have these 10 roosters. They're the ghost, $59.99. And yeah, they are solar. The pumpkin down here is 100. That's $100.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this one's 100. And it's just plastic.
That's kind of crazy because we've seen these in all the.
This does something.
I think that lights up or something. But look, you could buy like the bull, steer, the hen, pony, bone daddy, alligator, chick or treat. That one's cute. That's cute. These are solar over here too. There's no price on those. Actually, nope, no price. Well, you know what? Let me look over here. It is like amazingly hot in here. 25. We got the skeleton. And there's a witch, and they do light up, and they're solar. Okay, yeah, here's like the armadillo. Okay, yeah. $400. Oh, here's the wall art. $400. We got the little ghost. These are $12.99.
Oh, that's cool.
These are cute.
I want that farm ghost.
$29.99 for the ghost blanket. $30. And if you want the 10 pumpkin, these are $40. So, but if you want a stacking one, Sam's Club would be your best. No, Costco. And I think Sam's Club has one, but to get 3, $40 right here for the dog. Howdy ghouls. Oh, I like that for 20. If it was 10, yeah, 10 or 12. I like that. Maybe we could find something like that in TJ Maxx. Okay, look right here. We've seen this guy before. Kind of looks like he's floating on legs. They do have one really similar in Home Goods, like a silver one. This is 20 here. This is gonna light up, maybe. Oh yeah, look at that nice one. At night, this one looks so pretty. $40. It's actually really pretty. Then over here, $25. They were once a couple, but they died together. And this one's pretty cool. It is $40. I know there's a cow one where he turns into a skeleton. This is just a ghost. So we got all the ghosts in the field. And I think when I move, see, it's just a farmhouse. It's kind of cool. Oh, I found him. He was on the other side. So here we go. And then we'll turn. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like someone said something. That's funny. Old Soul Cemetery, sorry, 50. Oh my gosh, 17 for this pig. Look at his collar. That is funny actually. 17 right here. Wow, that's crazy. I feel like you guys, if you're very into like the feet stuff, like the funky candle holders, definitely go to Home Goods. I know I'm in trailer. But these are pretty too. These like black wicker ones with the candles. $35 for the large one. $29.99 for the small one. And this is $70. The little fireplace. These are all $17. And you have the large ones. These are so funny. And look at this guy. He does light up, it says.
Oh, we can hit the button. There's a tiny button. He's not plugged in.
Oh, he's not plugged in. Oh my gosh. This is my daughter's song. Tennessee Orange. I know how many times I hear her sing this song.
She sang it with one of her friends and they sounded so good together.
It's funny to hear it in the store. Okay. They have candy here. Witch's Brew. These are just like chocolate pretzels. They're all $5. Regular candy, $18. And look at this cat. I mean, not cat. It's a piranha. It's 18. Oh, look at this one. And that's cute, right? They have pumpkin, scarecrow guy.
We need to go fund me to get a Frenchie because I'm gonna like.
My husband wants a Frenchie so bad. I just don't have. $3,000 is a lot right now. $20. Look at that one. These are so cute, right? Oh gosh, that dog must be so hot wearing that. What is that type of cow called? My husband likes them. Highland cows? Yep. We got pretzels, more popcorn, caramel apple kit. Oh, the kit. 10. Oh gosh. And then you get those in it. That is so funny. Moon pies, pumpkin flavor. Oh my gosh. You definitely need to be a fan of moon pies. $10 right here, perfect for the office or somewhere in your home above your kitchen still. I do know, I haven't seen these at Lowe's or Home
Those are
Depot.
like Plants vs. Zombies.
Yeah, but you know how Lowe's and Home Depot has these? I haven't seen them over there.
Me either.
But you guys, that is gonna do it for like their Halloween. I did like the wall art that is like really, really cool here, and the little skeleton turtle.
I kind of like this guy because his eyes light up. Perfect.
I know. I think these are cool though. I didn't know they would move. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.